Hello my leopard class. So today we're gonna do some baking and we're gonna make some cake in a mug. Ooh, yummy, yummy, yummy. And I'm looking forward to bake one with you. So I'm gonna show you how and enjoy. So first you need a big mug for the cake to rise. Then you're gonna need some milk, icing sugar, baking powder, some oil and some sugar, cocoa, some vanilla essence and flour. When you are done mixing all your ingredients, this is what it's gonna look like. Can you see that? So I know I've added cocoa, but if you're not very fond of chocolate and you rather want and have a vanilla cake, you can not just add cocoa. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your cup that you mixed everything together. You're gonna put it in the microwave for 1 minute and 30 seconds. So now we are waiting. Oh, it's gonna be yummy. So this is what the cake's gonna look like after 1 minute and 30 seconds. And then you can add icing sugar if you want to, but if you don't like too sweet stuff, you can eat it as is. But if you want to make it more yummy, you can add some icing sugar. Yummy! And there you go, my friends. Enjoy your cake in a mug and have a nice yummy day. And teacher Laura misses you. Bye!